Welcome to my channel. What if I tell you that your life is not changed by big decisions, but by small daily habits you repeat every single day? The truth is, right now, your future is being created by what you do daily, not once a year, not once a month. In this video, I will share simple daily habits that can slowly but powerfully change your life. So, stay with me till the end, because the last habit can completely transform your mindset. Chapter 1: The Power of Small Daily Actions. Let me tell you a simple story. There was a boy who wanted to change his life, but he felt confused. He thought, I need to do something big to become successful. But the truth is, he never started, because big steps feel scary. One day, he made a small decision. He said, I will just improve 1% every day. Only 1%. Not too much, not too hard. Just small, simple actions. On the first day, he read just 5 pages of a book. On the second day, he learned 5 new English words. On the third day, he walked for 10 minutes. These actions looked very small, almost nothing. But he did them every single day. No excuses, no waiting for motivation. Now, here is the interesting part. After a few weeks, he started feeling more confident. After a few months, people started noticing change in him. And after 1 year, his life was completely different. Why? Not because he did something big one day, but because he did something small every day. Most people think success comes from big actions, but that is not true. Success comes from small habits repeated again and again. Motivation can help you start, but habits help you continue. And consistency is the real power. Let me ask you a question. What if you improve just a little every day for 1 year? How different will your life be? The truth is simple. Your daily actions are creating your future right now. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Start small. Start today. And now, let's move to the next important habit, because how you start your day can decide everything. Chapter 2: Start your day with a clear mind. Now let's talk about something very powerful: how you start your day. Many people don't understand this, but the first hour of your morning can control your whole day. Yes, just 1 hour. Think about this. When you wake up, what is the first thing you do? Most people pick up their phone. They check messages, social media, news, and suddenly their mind becomes full of noise. Stress starts early, comparison starts early, and without knowing, your day already feels heavy. But successful people do something different. They protect their morning. They keep it simple and calm. You don't need to do anything complicated. Just start with small, peaceful habits. For example, when you wake up, don't touch your phone for the first 20-30 minutes. Sit quietly for a few minutes. Take deep breaths. Let your mind wake up slowly. Then think about your day. Ask yourself, what are the 3 most important things I want to do today? This simple habit gives your day a clear direction. You can also add small actions like stretching your body, drinking a glass of water, or saying something positive to yourself. Even one positive sentence like, today will be a good day, can change your mindset. Here is a powerful truth. If you win your morning, you win your day. But if your morning is full of distraction, your whole day becomes weak. Let me ask you something. What kind of day do you want? A confused day or a focused day? Starting your day with a clear mind is not difficult. It just needs a small decision and a little discipline. And once you practice it daily, it becomes your habit. Now, remember this: a strong day needs strong energy. And that energy comes from how you treat your body. So now, let's move to the next chapter where we talk about taking care of your body every single day. Chapter 3: Take care of your body daily. Now let's talk about something very important: your body. Many people want success, money, and happiness, but they forget one thing: their health. The truth is simple. If your body is weak, your mind will also feel weak. And when your mind is weak, it becomes very hard to stay focused, positive, and active. Let me ask you a simple question. How do you feel when you don't sleep well or eat unhealthy food? You feel tired, lazy, and sometimes even frustrated. But when you sleep well, drink enough water, and move your body, you feel fresh, active, and ready to do something. The good news is, you don't need big changes. Just like habits, small actions can improve your health. For example, start your day with a glass of water. Your body needs it after long sleep. Then try to move your body even for 10 to 15 minutes. You can walk, stretch, or do simple exercise at home. It is not about perfection, it is about consistency. Also, try to eat simple and healthy food. You don't need expensive meals. Just avoid too much junk food and eat more natural food like fruits, vegetables, and home cooked meals. These small choices make a big difference over time. Here is a powerful truth: your body is your real home. You live in it every single day. If you take care of it, it will support you. If you ignore it, it will slow you down. Many people realize this too late when they face health problems. But you are learning this now, and that is your advantage. And here is something interesting. When your body feels strong, your mind also becomes stronger. You feel more confident, more focused, and more positive. So take care of your body daily, even in small ways. Now, let's move to the next chapter, because a strong body is important, but a strong mind is everything. Chapter 4: Train your mind every day. Now let's talk about the most powerful part of your life: your mind. Your mind controls your thoughts, your decisions, and your actions. And your actions create your future. So, if you want to change your life, you must first train your mind. Let me ask you something. What kind of thoughts do you have every day? Are they positive or negative? Many people don't notice this, but they keep thinking negative thoughts again and again. I can't do this. I am not good enough. I will fail. These thoughts slowly become beliefs, and these beliefs stop you from growing. Here is a powerful truth: negative thinking is like a slow poison. It does not destroy your life in one day, but slowly, day by day. But the good news is, just like you can train your body, you can also train your mind. Start with simple habits. For example, read something positive every day. It can be a book, an article, or even a short story. You can also listen to educational videos or podcasts. These things feed your mind with good ideas. Another powerful habit is to watch your thoughts. When a negative thought comes, don't accept it immediately. Stop and ask yourself, is this really true? Then try to replace it with a better thought. For example, instead of saying, I can't do this, say, I will try and I will improve. You can also write one positive thing about your day. It can be very small. Maybe you learned something new, or you completed a task. This habit helps your mind focus on progress, not problems. Let me ask you again, what are you feeding your mind daily? Because whatever you feed it, it will grow. There was a person who always thought he was not smart. But one day, he started reading daily and learning new things. Slowly, his thinking changed. He became more confident, and his life changed too. So remember, your mind is like a garden. If you plant good seeds, it will grow strong. If you don't, weeds will grow automatically. Now, learning and thinking is important, but it is not enough. So let's move to the next chapter where we talk about taking action every single day. Chapter 5: Take small actions every day. Now let's talk about something that many people understand, but still don't do, and that is taking action. Let me ask you a simple question. How many times have you learned something new, felt motivated, and said, I will start tomorrow? And then tomorrow never came. This happens to many people. They watch videos, read books, make plans, but they don't take action. And without action, nothing changes. Here is a powerful truth: knowledge without action is useless. You can learn everything in the world, but if you don't use it, your life will stay the same. For example, if you want to improve your English, you cannot just watch videos. You must speak, write, and practice daily. Even if you make mistakes, it is okay. Mistakes are part of learning. In fact, mistakes help you grow faster. Many people wait for the perfect time. They think, I will start when I feel ready. But the truth is, you will never feel 100% ready. The perfect time does not exist. So, what should you do? Start small. Start now. You don't need to do big actions. Just take one small step every day. Practice for 10 minutes. Write one paragraph. Speak a few sentences. These small actions may look simple, but they create real progress. Let me tell you a short story. There was a person who wanted to become confident in speaking English. He felt shy and afraid, but he decided to speak just 5 sentences every day. At first, it was difficult. He made many mistakes, but he did not stop. After some time, his confidence grew, and after a few months, he was speaking much better. Why? Because he took action every single day. Here is something important to remember. Action creates confidence, not thinking, not planning, only action. So don't wait. Don't overthink. Just start, even if it feels uncomfortable. And now, there is one final habit that connects everything we talked about. So let's move to the last chapter, where we learn the power of consistency and never giving up. Chapter 6, Stay consistent and never give up. Now we come to the most important habit of all, consistency. This is the habit that connects everything we talked about. You can start strong, feel motivated, and take action. But if you stop in the middle, you will not see results. Let me ask you something. Have you ever started something with full energy, but after a few days you stopped? Maybe you felt lazy, maybe you didn't see results, or maybe life became busy. This happens to almost everyone. But here is the truth. Success is not about doing something once. It is about doing it again and again, even when you don't feel like it. Think about a seed. When you plant a seed, it does not grow in one day. You water it daily, you take care of it, and slowly it starts to grow. At first, you don't see anything. It looks like nothing is happening, but under the ground, something is changing. Your habits work the same way. Many people quit because they don't see quick results. They say, this is not working. But the reality is, it is working, just slowly. And if you stop, you break the process. Here is a powerful line. Most people fail not because they are weak, but because they give up too early. So, what should you do? Stay consistent. Even if you feel tired, do a little. Even if you are busy, do a small action. Even if you don't feel motivated, just show up. Remember, it is not about doing everything perfectly. It is about not stopping. Let me give you a simple example. If you study or practice for just 10 minutes every day, it may not look like much, but after 1 month, after 6 months, after 1 year, the results will surprise you. Consistency creates results, and results create confidence. So don't give up. Keep going. Your daily habits are building your future right now, even if you cannot see it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which habit you will start from today. Remember, small daily habits create big life changes. See you in the next video.